Number 1. This is about the average of 5 numbers. 6 plus half plus 1 plus 2.5 plus 10 divided by number of books, which is 5. So you have 6.5 plus 13.5 over 5, 20 over 5, which is 4. Answer is D. Question number 2. Let's mark length as L and the width, which is here, as W. And we know length is 4 unit length, so we can use a 4 unit, and the width is also 4 unit, but you have taken away 1 from here. It's 1 unit taken away, so this is 3. And the ratio of length over width is 4 over 3. Answer is B. Question 3. Tyrone has 76 marbles, 97 marbles, and Eric has 11. And Tyrone will give some to Eric. Let's say he gives a portion, which is X, to Eric. And after that, Tyrone has twice as many as Eric has. So after that, Tyrone has that amount of marble, which is 2 times what Eric would have, which is 11 plus X given by Tyrone. We try to find what is the X. So we have 96 minus X equal to 22 plus 2X. So we have X, 3X equal to 97 minus 22, which is 75. So we have X equal to 75 divided by 3, which is 25. Answer is D. Question number 4. We do this by 2 steps. First is how many disks we need. We have 412 minutes to be recorded, and each disk can hold up to 56 minutes. So we do that equation. We'll find out we can put 7 here. We have 42, 39. With some reminders here, right? Which is 20. So we know we need more than 7 disks, which is actually we need 8 disks. Then we try to do the average of 412 minutes, 412 minutes over 8 disks. That will each disk can hold evenly. And that's also the smallest amount of disk we need, right? So we have 42 divided by 8 give us 5, which is 40. 12 give us 1, which is 8. Another 40, right? And this is 5. I'll give 40, right? 0. So the answer is 51.5 minutes per disk. That is answer B. Question 5. The area of a circle whose circumference is 24 pi is k pi. So we have a circle, suppose its radius is r, right? Then its area would be pi r square area, and its circumference is 2 pi r, which is given us 24 pi, and from that we know r equal to 12. And we also know this area will equal to k pi. So we have a pi times 12 square equal to k times pi. Take pi away from both sides, you have a k equal to 12 square, which is 144. Answer is E. Question number 6. We have a function, say f, which is a spade here, x and y equal to x minus reciprocal of y. So first we do function of 2 and 2. That will give us 2 minus a half, which is 3 halves. Then we calculate f function of which is this value here. It will be 3 half. By definition, that is 2 minus 2/3, which is 4/3. Answer is C. Question number 7. Crystal is running a course for her daily run. It started by heading north for 1 mile. So this is the start. 1 mile north, 1 mile. Then she runs north east. That is, this is north, this is the east, this is the south, and this is the west. So northeast will be the other direction, another mile. Then southeast, so this is southeast, another mile. What's next? She runs straight line back to where she started, which is here. How far in miles is the last portion around? So that's it. What's the distance of here? So if we add a line here, we're going to see this triangle here, A, B, C, is isosceles, 1 and 1, right? And actually this will be right triangle because it's 45 degree here, and again will be 45 degrees here because of the direction she's running, either northeast or southeast. So we know this distance AC would be square root 2 because 1 plus 1 has to be square of this, right? AB square plus BC square has to be AC square, which is a 1 and a 1 here. So it has to be square root 2. And then we have another right triangle with from start here to AC and back to start. So we have 1 square plus square root 2 square equal to x square. And from that we know x square is 3 and x is square root 3 and x is square root 3. Answer is C. Question number 8. Let's do some estimation first, assuming Tony is at age X without any change for the 6-month period. So he starts with X years old, ending with 6 years old. So we'll have a 50 times days times 2 times 0.5 times X that would Tony has earned, which has to be equal to 630. We have 100 times 5.5. We have a 50x equal to 630, and that is 5x equal to 63. So we have a 63 divided by 5, 13. Then we have a 2. We have a 10. Then have a 30.6. So 12.6 years old. That gives us a hint that Tony is probably around 13 years old at the end. And you can verify by that. See, end of age 6 months age 12 didn't work, because if 12 that's the case, then the maximum Tony can make is 50 times 2 times 0.5 times 12. That's 150, and times 12 is 600 only. And E is not possible. Easy answer is 14, because if that's end at 14, then Tony must start at least 13 years old. And even he's 13 across 6 months, that will make him to earn minimum that amount, which is 150, and times 13 is 650. It's more than 630. So the right answer must be a D, which is 13.